Well, there's breaking news coming in at this hour from Chhattisgarh, where the Chhattisgarh Waqf Board chief has in fact made a big remark on the Congress. We're tracking some important information coming in as the chief Salim Raj has gone on to say, and I quote, that the Congress has only worked to turn Muslims into terrorists. Well, Salim has further gone on to add that it has worked to keep Muslims away from national unity. Well, remember that this is the Chhattisgarh Waqf Board chief's big attack on the Congress, where he's gone on to slam the party, saying that the Congress is responsible for any suspicious activity and even supports terrorism, while the BJP supports nationalism. Well, this is an important piece of information coming in from Chhattisgarh, where the Chhattisgarh Waqf Board chief's in fact big remark on the Congress coming in. He seems to have slammed the Congress party and hailed the BJP, saying that the Congress has only worked to turn Muslims into terrorists. Meanwhile, we have some reactions coming in on this. Listen in.
कांग्रेस ने सिर्फ मुसलमानों को वोट बैंक समझा और मुसलमानों को आतंकवादी बनाने का काम किया। देश की एकता से दूर रखा गया। जो भी गतिविधियां होती है तो लादेन भाईजान बोला जाता है कांग्रेस के नेता, और कई आतंकवादी है, मीरवाइज चाचा बोला जाता है। तो कांग्रेस की सोच है कि वो सिर्फ आतंकवाद की वो समर्थन करती है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी राष्ट्रीयता की बात करती है। जो देश से प्यार करता है वो राष्ट्रीय ध्वज से प्यार करेगा। जब कांग्रेस राष्ट्रीय ध्वज से प्यार ही नहीं है और आतंकवादी को साथ देना है तो विरोध करना उनका मकसद है।
अब सलीम रजा जी के इस तर्क पे मैं क्या कहूं, मुझे अफसोस होता है कि स्वयं सलीम रजा जी बताएं कि इतने वर्षों तक वो कांग्रेस के शासनकाल में जन्म पाए, परवरिश पाए, बड़े हुए, वो कौन से आतंकवादी बने। आतंकवाद को अपनाने वाले विकृत मानसिकता के चुनिंदा लोग होते हैं और उसका किसी दल से, किसी सरकार से कोई ताल्लुक होना ये कतई कोई कारण नहीं होता।
Well, on this, we have my colleague Anurag Tiwari joining us on the broadcast. And Anurag, walk us through the details. What exactly is Rao about?
See, the Chhattisgarh Waqf Board has announced that they will distribute sweets across all madrasas and mosques in Chhattisgarh to promote national unity and harmony. But this has triggered a massive political row in Chhattisgarh. And as you have said, Dr. Salim Raza has announced that they will also give 5,000 to 7,000 rupees to economically weaker sections, economically weaker madrasas across the state for flag hoisting and for distribution of sweets, etc. But now the Congress has reacted to this because Dr. Salim Raza has also said, and I quote, that he accused the Congress of branding Muslim as terrorists and claimed that the party has historically supported or softened its stance on terror-related issues. And he also said BJP, in contrast, stands for nationalism, to which the Congress has reacted sharply, and the former Deputy Chief Minister T.S. Singhdev has also said that Dr. Raza himself was born and raised during Congress rule, and asking him whether that made him a terrorist as well.
Right, Anurag, and I also wish to understand from you, there seems to be big political row regarding this. What exactly is the BJP saying with this regard?
See, the BJP has always supported this kind of move, and they're saying that they support the move by the Waqf Board for distributing sweets and flag hoisting across all madrasas and mosques in Chhattisgarh.